Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language classes we offer. Some of you may be familiar with the idea of the singularity. This is what futurists and tech evangelists have taken to calling the moment that may happen at some point in the future, where artificial intelligence basically becomes smarter than human beings. AI develops a mind of its own. A moment which obviously, like sci-fi movies, could have serious implications for us as humanity. I was talking to my co-author Andrew the other day, and he's just finished reading a book about artificial intelligence, and the main conclusion he came to was that we're light years away from the singularity ever happening. AI is still actually quite primitive when compared to the human brain. For example, AI-driven cars can't necessarily recognise whether a head that they see on the side of the road poking out from behind a row of cars belongs to a person, and they certainly can't predict whether or not that disembodied head is about to be attached to a body which is going to walk in front of the car. So, as I said, we're light years away from AI taking over. If you say that something is light years away, or we're light years away from something, you mean it's very far away. And it's often used to talk about things that are unlikely to happen in the near future. You know, I'd love to see our government here switch to a greener economy and aim for net zero carbon emissions in the next 8 years. But sadly, I think we're light years away from that happening. In the same way, you might say something like, yeah, I've been playing guitar for 15 years now, but I'm still light years away from where I'd like to be. I'm nowhere near as good as I'd like to be. Maybe you get tickets to go to a concert, and it's a big concert in a big concert venue, and you find out when you get there that your seats are light years away from the stage and you can hardly see anything. If you have enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people find out more about what we do. Please do share these videos with your friends, your colleagues and your students. And in the comment section below, let's see how you think you might use light years away.